So good day guys, welcome to this channel. By the way, if you are new and you don't subscribe, please I beg you click on that subscribe button before you get started. Like, share, and also make your comments or watch out for it. Now take a look at this WTI crude oil. By the way, if you have to look at this movement of this recent movements, we are on a bearish move, right? This price has been dropping. I think for better understanding, to understand this movement itself and why we'll be placing this trade, I want us to actually go to the weekly time frame to be able to understand this movement itself. We can see that there was, I think, early 2020, this WTI crude oil have been going bullish, right? Price has been going rising up. I also added 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading down 10 period moving average. Once the price is above it, we have to go long. But if it is below, we have to short. So all this period of time, this price has been above 10 period moving average. Now take a look at this movement. This was around early 2022. I think that around June, May, April, May, around that April-May period, we started having this bearish move. You can see that this price is below the 10 period moving average, meaning we are too short. So I want you guys to actually see this movement here. We can take this as a bearish move, a correction here, another bearish move, of course a correction to be made here. Then we can see here as a bearish move which actually broke these previous lows. Then a little bit of a correction occurred here. Now another bearish move. Of course we should expect a correction. So after this correction is over, we will be expected to go bearish again on WTI crude oil. So as at this moment we are currently we are still on a correction level. So that correction itself is a bullish move, and you can see that this correction will, you tend to see correction react at a certain level, price reacts at a certain level. So you can see that this price is at this same level here, right? One, you can see that this price has also reacted at this level previously. So definitely once we get a little bit of a bullish move on WTI crude oil, then we will be seeing a drop on this WTI crude oil. So weekly time frame, as of this movement right now, we are on a correction. Now see this movement on the daily time frame. You can see that this price is bearish, right? Now the price is dropping right rapidly, and we just had a little bit of a breakout. Price has broken above 10 period moving average. I also want you guys to know that price do react at a certain level. Once price gets to a key level or a certain level, price do react at there. So it is exactly where we are now, right now, and we would see a reaction at that level. Now take a look at the level we are talking about. We saw that price actually reacted here. If you have to zoom it properly, you see that once price actually drop to this level, it pushes up, drop again, tested this level before going up, right? You can see that we can see this huge candlestick wick here. Once price dropped to this level, we saw candlestick wick here. That is it. We also saw price came to this same level before bouncing up, came to this same level, bouncing up. If you notice also, we saw that price actually roll up, tested this level, drop, tested this level, drop. So at this period of time now, you can see that this price is not at this same level, guys. So we should be expecting like a drop, kind of like a pullback if you want to see it that way. Because if we can take this movement here, a bullish move, a correction, we very much likely saw here, then another bullish move. Of course, after the bullish move, we should be expecting a correction. And since price do react at a certain level, we should be getting a correction at this level. So anytime soon, we will be going bearish. So I think maybe one of the reasons why we've actually gone bearish today, you can see this red candlestick wick here. You can see that for today now, the candlestick is now in red. So I still believe there will still have a drop. So guys, you should watch out. If you are going long, then it is time to actually stay wait. It is not a time to actually go long. I think it is not time to get a bearish move, kind of like a pullback level. There's every possibility the price will actually drop more, but for today only, we are trying to predict the price. We will be very much likely to close bearish today because the price is now on kind of giving us like a bearish movement. If you see it that way. And now to actually take this trade, you can sit on this 4-hour time frame. Very much likely we saw this price, price is actually on a bullish move. Price is above 10 period moving average, right? And we are expecting price to react at this level, which is fine, right? But to actually take this trade, at least we should wait for this price to actually break below the 10 period moving average, meaning once price is below 10 period moving average, we have to short it. and we do, or possibly one price break below this pullback level, previous pullback level, previous two pullback level here. Once price can break this level here, by that period of time, the price will be below our 10 period moving average. Then you can now enter to short this position. But this weekly time frame still says we are bullish. But we know on the daily time frame and weekly time frame, we want to see like a pop reaction at that level, which will give us a bearish move. So this is one of the reasons why I said be very, very careful. Do not go long yet, because price will tend to react anytime soon, and to kind of give us like a bearish move, right? So, and also take a look at this movement here on WTI CRUDE. We saw that this price also rejected at this level. We once saw a pullback at this level. So price is still at that level. Definitely you should be able to see a reaction at this level. So that reaction should be a bearish movement. So watch out for it. WTI CRUDE.